today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. We're opening up brown paper packages. So this is a bi-monthly lifestyle subscription, meaning you get it every other month, and it is one of a kind. It is awesome. It always has a theme, and it's just filled with so many good items. I have not peeked yet, so we're going to open this live together and see what's inside. Of course, I will link them down below. And disclaimer, you may hear like construction type noises potentially in the background, but we're just going to roll with it, okay? Because there's been a lot of like reconstruction going on here, doing all the roofing and stuff. That's why I haven't posted recently, and I've missed you guys. And I just want to be back here today filming. And also, I've been really trying not to get a shadow in the background, but again, we're just going to roll with it. That's what we do here. And Emmy has come to join us. Emmy's my cat, for those who don't know, but I know you guys know. So yeah, let's get started. So this is a company from Canada. So if you are one of my Canadian friends, you can get this box as well. You see your little tail there. Emmy? Okay, so I think I took all the tape off. It was heavily taped. There's something fragile in here. I'm curious what it is. I can't remember what the theme is. They always give you a sneak peek the month prior, but 2 months ago, I don't know about you guys, I can't remember that well. Oh my god. Okay, one thing I should mention. You can already tell. They win all the awards for the best packaging. You'll see they do such a good job. Just look at this initial show here, the initial packaging, and it said there's a sticker here, vanilla ice is the theme. Okay, look at this felt that's like snow. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. When I got this in the mail today, I already had like other plans of things to film since I haven't filmed in well over a week. But when I got this, I'm like, I need to open this today because this is always so fun to open. It always lifts my spirits up. Oh my gosh. It is jam-packed with stuff. Emmy, what do you think? So I'm just gonna like set it right here. And let's see, is there a little card or anything we should pull out? Yeah, here it is. So this is the December and January box. Again, vanilla ice. Don't you want to like break out into that? Well, I do. Ice, ice, baby. Okay, well, I'll spare you my singing of vanilla ice. So in here, it'll tell you all of the items inside with pricing, and the pricing is in Canadian dollars, just FYI. Oh, I'm so excited. Bundle up and indulge in the season with wintry designs and warm aromas. Ooh, I like the sound of that. Let's get started with the first thing right on top. Look, see they have this bag with the snowflakes. Everything is always on theme. Emmy's so cute. This little hat. Oh my god, so cute. It's like a bejazzled like headscarf. These are so nice. I don't live somewhere where it's cold, even though it's been a little Florida cold recently, which it's 77 degrees right now. I know I talk about that I'm from Florida all the time. Is that enough? But maybe it's because I'm not originally from here. I don't know. But yeah, I recognize that I do say that in most videos. But maybe some people are new here. And they'd be confused. I'm wearing a Chicago shirt. I am a Chicago girl at heart. That's where I was born and raised. But anyways, I love these in cold weather. They're cute. I've never had one with like rhinestones on them. But they're cute and functional. Let's see. Yeah, this is called the Black Ice Headband. Warm and cozy. This chunky knit headband keeps ears warm with a fashionable sparkle. And they support local Canadian distributors and companies and stuff, so I think that is great. I'm really feeling like tempted to put this on, but I'm not going to do that right now. Next up, we have this cute package here. Seriously, every item. It's like Christmas. You get to open everything individually. It's so fun. So you get all the items, and then you get this experience, this unwrapping, unboxing experience. And I know it's fun for everyone, not just people who like are on camera doing it. And I didn't mention this, but one of the many reasons why I love brown paper packages is that it's every other month. So you get time to use your items and save a little bit of money and not get charged every month. Because you know, months fly by these days. If you're getting it every month, you might not have enough time to use all your items or kind of get lost in the mix of things. So every month we get, oh, I'm so excited about this. Every month we get something from Stray Kit Cosmetics, and I need this. This is perfect. Even though it's not super cold where I am, I still get dry, chapped lips lately. I think it means drier weather compared to normal. We have a lip scrub by them, and it's in vanilla scent. Come on. They curate their boxes so well. Emmy's playing with the box. Emmy. So this company, they always feature They donate some of their proceeds to animal charities, and I love that. That really warms my heart. It makes me want to support them even more. I've been using oh my god, it smells so good. I've been using one of their lipsticks. I might have gotten it in the last box, like all the time. I don't have it on right now because it was in my purse and I was lazy to get it, so I'm using like a tinted lip balm. This smells so good. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't had a lip scrub in a while. Oh, I could just keep smelling it. Hey, let's keep going. Next up, it's so cute, seriously. I need some of these. Patchology. We have 3 eye patches. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Serve chilled on ice, firming eye gels. Puffy eyes. It's just something I have, something I deal with. I don't have the dark eyes, I get the puffy eyes. You know, we all have something. So I appreciate this. I'm gonna put them in the fridge, and when they're cold, and when I really feel the need, I'm gonna use these. This is awesome. And like, just like, it says ice on the title of these, but I'm so happy. And I like this brand, Patchology. I'm so excited. So this has peptides, cloudberry oil, I don't know what that is, and bakuchiol. So it also helps with fine lines. I'm so into this. Put tired puppy eyes on ice with these cooling eye gels. They're a powerful refreshment for under eye bags and fine lines. Yes, it's placed in the fridge for next level cooling. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Only 5 minutes. Love it. Sorry, I wasn't showing you the front. Oh my god, I'm so excited already. We still have so many items. Next, this pack, like, how do they have so much packaging? That's so cute. And you can save this and like use it somehow, you know. I always suggest saving, wrapping and stuff when you get subscription boxes like I do, but especially from brown paper packages, because stuff like this is like, you can totally use it for gifts or whatever the hell you're doing with them. Next up, we have a necklace here, and it has this little snowflake on it. This is by Ecos Canada. Here, let me take it out of the plastic. That'll be easier. Is it easy to do so? Yeah, here, I got it. Emmy's laying on the little ear things, the headband. You like that, baby? So we have a little snowflake necklace. It has a lobster clasp, and it looks like it can be adjustable. Yeah, it's adjustable. Oops. Cute, and goes on theme. So I don't know if you could tell, like, there's like little crystals in the outer flake. Vanilla chai. Yum! We have some of these drink mixes by Gourmet Village Hot Chocolate Mix. Vanilla chai. Yum! There's 2 of these. It says place the hot chocolate in a mug, and then you just add water or hot milk. Ooh, this is going to be a dessert for me, like a cheat day, because there's sugar in here. This sounds so good. Warm. I love that you can use water because I don't have milk. This sounds so good. Yum. Oh my god. I love chai. Vanilla chai, hot chocolate. Oh my god. Is this a cute little bird? Oh, I love these. Let me get out of the bag. But let me show you the bag, actually. We have a Ziploc with snowflakes on it. Like, everything in here there's detail with literally everything. They think about everything. These are so cute. These little barrettes. I'll totally use these. I feel like, okay, hopefully now you could see it. I felt like it wasn't focusing. So I'm trying to use better lighting, but one of these days I'll figure it out. Next up, in this cute bag here, let's see what we got. It's a bath bomb, maybe? A snowflake bath bomb. Emmy just watching me unbox. It's so cute. Oh my god. Smells so good. And how cute. Seriously, so on theme. Snowflake bath bomb by Main Prize Soap and Lotion Company. I can't tell you what exactly the scent is, but it smells so good. Do they tell us on here? Oh, and the barrettes, the rhinestone barrettes were a little extra gift they added in. Thank you. For everyone, not just me. sweet scent of vanilla and mint. Ooh, it smells so good. And it has skin-loving ingredients as well. Oh my god, I could just sit here and keep smelling it. Yum. Okay, and now I'm excited about this. Are these cozy socks? Oh, I've been wearing socks at night because Florida cold. Sorry, I'm just being obnoxious now, but oh my god, these are so cute. I love these. This is so soft. This, oh my god, it's a fleece lining, and this is like the softest fleece ever. Oh my gosh, and it's so cute. I love these colors. See a little like reindeer on there? Oh my god, these are so cute, but so soft. I'm gonna put these on now. This is amazing. Love them. And then the last thing I think is in this big box. And this box, it has snowflake, I almost called it wasabi tape. What is it called? Washi tape, not wasabi. Happen to have my scissors here. Let's get this open. This must be the fragile thing. Is it like a mug maybe? I'm guessing. It's better than a mug, I think. Here's two in here. It looks like it's a wine glass, or wine glasses. Wrapped up very well. I mean, why would that scare her? Oh my god. How fun. You can see yourself, aka the phone. This is awesome. Oh my god. If you guys know me, I do like some wine. And we have two of them here. And that's like they're the same there. This is so fun and so festive. I love this. How amazing. Oh my god, I was thinking it'd be a mug. Like I said, I think this is even better. So what do they call these? Arctic Aura wine glass. I love these. So cute. You guys, we got so much stuff and it's all so good. Okay, so we had the wine glasses. Emmy just was scared away by the sound of plastic or something. I don't know. I want to put this on for some reason. This smells so good. The barrettes, necklace, the socks, the vanilla chai, the eye patches, the lip scrub. I think that's everything. There's a lot of stuff. Isn't that amazing? And it's all on theme and always packaged so cute. I freaking love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want to smell this one more time. Oh my gosh, so good. So good. Everything was so good. What do you guys think? I love this box. After I unbox it, there's like a mess all around me, but it's so fun to go through everything again and save some of the packaging and come up with ideas. But I love this box so much. I would love to know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts down below, and I will link them down below and any promo codes that are available if you're interested in subscribing. So thank you to the Hutch sisters who sent me this box. Thank you to you guys for being here and watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already done so, please do so. That would make my day. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. Bye.